Courgette spaghetti with kale pesto is a different moreish dish, which is a combination of unusual flavors. Today, let's find out how to prepare a perfect cavolo nero pesto. Bleach the kale for 4 minutes and let it cool in ice water for 2. Put all the ingredients in a pestle and mortar and work until smooth. Finish the pesto with a drop of Filippo Berio extra virgin olive oil. At this point, brown the crushed garlic, add the courgette that we have previously cut into the thickness of 4 millimeters, and then add the pesto as well. Finish the dish with few drops of Gorgonzola. That's it. Now enjoy.